The companies in this crowded zone are all betting on the fact that whoever spends the most money developing the absolute best AI model will have all the profits. But what if that isn't the case? A pattern I'm seeing more and more amongst startups, small cap and medium cap companies is they're actually giving the user the ability to pick between different AI models within their software. They let users choose between Claude, ChatGPT and Gemini, just to name a few. This is important because they're now all getting pretty close in abilities. So the biggest factor in what a user chooses might end up being the price, which would then lead these companies into a price war, which is great for people using AI, but not so great for huge companies that have spent billions developing these AI models. It's kind of like petrol or gas if you're American. Imagine one station sells it for $1.50 per litre, and another sells petrol that's slightly better quality for $3 per litre. Sure, a few people will still pay the extra for the premium option, but most people will just buy the cheaper fuel because it pretty much does the same thing. And that's the real point. When new technology becomes good enough and interchangeable, the value doesn't stay with the companies that spent the most money building it. It flows to the companies that use it in the smartest way. So that's exactly why I'm backing the underdogs. Small and mid-cap businesses don't need to win the AI arms race. They just need to apply AI to real problems at a lower cost without carrying billions in debt. That's why I'm investing in a couple of small and mid-cap funds, as well as actively looking for AI startups to invest in. So if you're a founder and you're looking for an experienced investor with a large social media following, then feel free to reach out using the email in the description. I'm currently considering proposals. Look, if I'm wrong, I lose a small amount being early. But if I'm right, I'm positioned where there could be a massive upside.